As you can see, in Windows 10 there is no Windows Movie Maker. Also, if you try to download it from the Microsoft page, it says that Windows Movie Maker is no longer available for download. You have two options here. You can go to Windows Search and type Video Editor, and Windows will open up the Video Editor. It's basically an upgraded version of the old Movie Maker, so everyone who is familiar with the old Movie Maker will find this very easy to use. If that's not the case, you can check my short tutorial about it. Just click the link here, or I'll put it in the description. The second option is to download a Movie Maker from somewhere else. Unfortunately, I can't find my installation of a Movie Maker to share it with you, so you will need to find it online. Just be sure that you don't download viruses or something like that, and the program is free, so don't ever pay for it if someone asks you. I hope you will adapt to the new video editor very quickly and make some good videos. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.